Hello, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I have more than 20 years experience in stock market, and I can suggest you, if you are serious about stock market, download Stockage app. It will really help you in your journey of wealth creation from stock market.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to run through the Stockage Pro version. Okay, what is Pro? It stands for professional. So anyone who is professional in financial market would need much resources, would need much better features, and would like to go deeper into various aspects of market to generate opportunities. You remember in last video we talked about the premium version of Stockage. I'm sure you must have seen the visual. And you must have seen how many features are there in the premium version of Stockage. And all the features are eventually so reasonably priced for you. I want to talk about Pro version, which is actually the level 2 of Stockage. When you look at the Pro version of Stockage, remember you get access to all the features of premium version of Stockage. So Pro is not standalone product, it is an extension of the premium version of Stockage. Have a look at the screen right in front of you. You see, these are the various features we discussed last time. So many features are part of the premium version of Stockage, and the cost is equivalent to just one dinner date with your spouse. I repeated this again and again in that video because I genuinely believe that Stockage Premium is peanut. You're getting at a very reasonable price. But the Pro version of Stockage has an extension of premium, which is the same custom scans. We discussed about the custom scans in the previous video, that how you can create custom scans using 700 plus data parameters and play with Stockage. In premium, you get to create 2 custom scan only. It's a very resource hungry activity. In Pro version of Stockage, you can create 50 custom scans, and also you can get advanced download. So once you create custom scan, you can comprehensively download all data points in an Excel sheet. So we have restricted few things in download as a premium version, because already we are giving so much in premium version that if you are a professional market participant, you want a comprehensive download, and we are okay to give you the entire data of this scan output which you create in the custom scan. Okay, shall we take an example? Let's go to custom scan here. I have created a custom scan. Let me just show you that to you. So my Stockage, custom scan. And if you look at the custom scan which I have created, say super strong stock, and these are the scans which I have added. I have added some ready-made scans. I have added some custom query which is right here in front of you. And if I look at the list of the stocks, here are the list of the stocks as part of the custom scan. Because I am a club member, I have access to Pro. So we have 3 layers: Premium, Pro and Club. And Club I'll record in next video and tell you the power of being part of the Stockage Club. When you download this Excel sheet, you get a full comprehensive data of all these stocks which have come as part of this custom scan, right? It's a comprehensive data. In Premium, obviously you get limited data, but in Pro you get the comprehensive data in the Excel sheet. By the way, don't worry if you are a premium subscriber, don't worry that I'm giving you something limited in premium. That's not the case. Look at the kind of work we have done for our premium user. It's quite exhaustive at the price point which we are offering. Second, we also give you more opportunities to create more combination scans. So in premium, you get to create only 20 combination scans, but in Pro, you can create 50 combination scans. Okay, a lot is available to you. What is available in Pro is also a unique feature called chart pattern, which is basically we have used AI ML to find chart patterns in stocks. Now this is very interesting. You see, there are different kind of chart patterns in market. Let me just show you the chart patterns. Triangle, head and shoulder, flag, wedge, channel, multiple top and bottom, rounding top and bottom, etc. etc. And there are bullish chart pattern, bearish chart pattern, or neutral chart patterns. Okay. By virtue of a pro member, you can see the chart patterns. Say for example, market is bullish right now. Okay, let's assume. I want to see bullish chart pattern, and we get to see a stock called Coromandel International. Now how do you trade? Look at this, Coromandel International, fundamental score. Remember fundamental score, take momentum score as part of the edge chart. Fundamental score is 65, which is okay. 70 plus is desirable, but 65 is not bad. Momentum score is also positive. My only concern is that 6-month score is still yellow, but it's not red, still yellow. So this is a stock which you can look at because there is a chart pattern and there is a good score which we are looking at. Look at Pine Lab. Good chart pattern, but the scores are red, so I will not look at it. Look at Tata Motor. Bullish pattern, but the scores are still yellow, not convincing. I will not look at it. Whirlpool of India, the score, the chart pattern is, it's a bottom formation, score is good, but the momentum is not there. I will not look at it. So let me remove the bullish and now look at the stocks. Bajaj Auto, bad pattern. Fundamentally stock is good, but the momentum is weak right now. I will not invest. Okay, so by looking at chart pattern, you are technically finding opportunities in multiple patterns, and people who follow chart pattern blindly, they tend to be more disciplined because chart pattern is a very quantitative way of identifying stocks, and by looking at those stocks and the scores inside Stockage, you can actually get into the trading of that particular stock. Okay, it is available for pro subscribers. Why? Our quality is very good, that's why we are priced it at a higher level. See, wherever we feel that there is better value we have added, I think we are trying to charge extra so that we can derive some value to run the organization, which is very, very important. Apart from chart pattern, we have sector rotation. You remember we talked about sector rotation also. In sector rotation, here, if you look at only sector data, not a problem, you will get in premium. But if you want industry level data, which is more granular, then obviously I can expect you to become a pro subscriber. See, the reason why pro is pro, because we want people who are utilizing us more should be willing to give us slightly more money so that we also constantly develop and grow and try to create new outputs for our serious market participants. All right. Similarly, in sector analysis, if you see sector analysis, this is for pro users who want to do deeper research about current results and go deeper from each result to industry to fundamental score, which will be helping you in making again a sensible decision to invest in that particular sector or industry. Okay. Then you have index analysis, again very, very interesting. In index analysis, you can see how indices have done fundamentally. Lot of effort in calculating these data points, the results, the shareholding data points. All these are more relevant for professional market participants. So that's why we have kept it as part of professional. Look at this, Nifty 500. Fundamentally, our businesses are doing good now, right? Market should ideally do good. You go inside this, go inside stocks, scores, and see which are the stocks which are showing green pattern, and obviously you would only like to invest in those stocks where there is green pattern. For example, ICICI Bank, as you can see, not a recommendation, just giving you a hint of the process which you can follow from a pro output, which is relevant output. And finally, you can see a technical peer comparison. So if you go to any particular stock, say Yes Bank, and if you go to technical, you see there's something called view peers. If you go inside this, the full comprehensive peer comparison of fundamental, technical, result comparison, everything is available to the pro subscriber. Now the choice is yours. Whether you believe Pro is adding more value to you, or it is sufficient for you to use premium. Your choice is yours. I would obviously like you to become Pro member because Pro includes premium and Pro has comprehensive analytics, which everything is involved in Stockage. I hope this video was useful, and I'm very sure that some of you will become Pro member more than the analytics and data points we have, and think we deserve support from you, and this organization will constantly innovate to produce the best analytic outputs for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a Stockage, Make in India, Made in India, for India. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.